following is an example of how semantic power strips are implemented in Gateway 20, 40, 60, and Pro. I'm going to select Child 20, and I'm going to navigate to the Things I Do page. On this page you see several buttons with a light green coloring. Each one of those, when we select, opens up to semantically related words. So by selecting cooking, we open up to a button of semantically related words: cooking, mixing, pouring, and baking. Another example would be coloring. We have writing, drawing, painting, and coloring. These same features are implemented in Child 40. Go to the Actions button, and we see a lot of colored buttons for words such as say. We have sing, tell, say, call, take, speak, and yell.